Welcome to AARTIS Education. Today we are going to learn how to solve problem set 39. In this problem set, we have total 6 questions and we have to solve them. These are all questions based on decimal fractions. The first question is, write how many rupees and how many paise. In this type of question, we have to find out rupees and paise. First of all, we have to know that 1 rupee have 100 paise. 1 rupee have 100 paise. So here, to write the answers of given questions, we have to focus the decimal point. We know that this dot is called a decimal point. We learned it in last videos. So there are 2 sides, left side and right side. Look here, 58.43. Here, this is left hand side of this fraction and right hand side of this fraction. So, on the left hand side of decimal point, we have rupees, and on right hand side of decimal point, we have paise. So, it's very easy to write. Right hand sides are rupees. So 58 rupees and left hand sides are paise, 43 paise. This is the answer of the given question. Look, it's very easy. When you solve more questions, you find it that it is easy. Now next question is rupees 9.30. So here, right hand side are the paise and left hand side is rupees. So on the left hand side there is 9. So here is 9 rupees and 30 paise. Look, only you have to focus or look where is the decimal point. And you have to know the left hand side and right hand side of that point. Our right hand side is the right hand side of decimal point and our left hand side is the left hand side of decimal point. Now next question is rupees 2.30. So here 2 rupees and 30 paise. Now look here. Rupees 2.3. Here also 2 rupees and 3 paise. It is not a 3 paise because 3 is on the tens place. So we have to put 0, 2 rupees and 30 paise. Look, it's very easy. Now let's turn towards to next question. Second question is, write how many rupees in decimal form. Now we have to write it in decimal form. Like this. The first question is 6 rupees and 25 paise. It is also easy. We just have to put decimal point in proper place. Look. First of all, write the question here. Second question, question number 2. You have to write it in your notebook. First question is 6 rupees and 25 paise. Is it? Okay. Now we have to put only decimal point in this question. Write here the numbers first. The given numbers are 6 and 25. Now look, here we have to put point between rupees and paise. This is our decimal form of given question. 6.25 rupees. Look, it's very easy because we know that 1 rupee have 100 paise. So 6 rupees have 100 into 6. It's a 600 plus 25. 600 plus 25. It's a 625 paise. Okay. And to convert them into decimal fraction, we have to write it as 6.25 rupees. Now the next question, second question in it is 15 rupees and 70 paise look here, 15 rupees and 70 paise. Just write here numbers 15 and 70 and give the decimal point between rupees and paise. It's a 15.70 rupees. Third question. Question is 8 rupees and 5 paise. 5 paise. Rupees and 5 paise. It's a 8.05 rupees. Because 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So we have to divide 5 by 100. We learnt about decimal fractions and we can write this fraction in decimal way as 0.05. So our answer is 8.05 rupees. Now next, fourth question. The question is 22 rupees and 4 paise. Here also we have to write 22, then give a point between rupees and paise, and here they gives us 4 paise. So we have to divide 4 paise by 100. It's a 0.4. Our answer is 22.04 rupees. Now fifth question is 720 paise. Now they give us here all paise. So we have to convert them into rupees. We know that 100 paise means 1 rupee. Let's convert into 700 paise in rupee. It's a 7 rupee. So it have 7 rupees and 20 paise. Let's write it in decimal form, 7.20 rupees. Let's look to the third question. The question is, write how many meters and how many centimeters. Here also we are going to focus on our decimal point. On the left hand side of decimal point there are meters, and on right hand side of decimal point there are centimeters. And 100 centimeter have 1 meter. Remember, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now third question. First question in it is 58.75 meter. (58.75 meter). We have to write it in meters and centimeters. 58 meters and 75 centimeters. Look, it's very easy. Then second is 9.30 meter. Here also we are going to write 9 as a meter because it is on the left hand side of decimal point. This trick is easy trick. So you can fastly identify meters and centimeters. So I told you like this: 9 meter and 30 centimeter is the answer of this question. Third question is 0.30 meter. Here 0 is meter and 30 a centimeter. This is the answer. Now fourth question. The question is 0.3 meter. Means 0 meter and 30 centimeters. Now fifth question is 1.62 meter. It's a 1 meter and 62 centimeters. Sixth question is 91.4 meter. It's a 91 meters and 4 centimeters. Seventh question is 7.02 meter. It's a 7 meter and 02 meters. Eighth question is 0.09 meter. It have 0 meter and 09 centimeters. 02 here centimeters. Look, it's very easy. Just focus on decimal point and find right hand side and left hand side. Now question number 4. Question 4. The question is, write how many meters in decimal form. Now we have to write it in decimal form. Just like second question, we are going to solve it. The first question in it is 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Okay, just write here the given numbers 1 and 50 and put a decimal point between meters and centimeters and write meter here, 1.50 meter. The second question in it is 50 meter and 40 centimeter. First of all, we are going to write the given numbers 50 and 40. Then put a decimal point between meters and centimeters. These are 50 are meters and 40 are centimeters. And write here meter, 50.40 meter. Now third question is 50 meter and 4 centimeter. Just write here 50 and 4 and put a decimal point, 50.4 meter. Fourth question is 734 centimeter. Now here write here 734 and put a decimal point, because it 7 have the place value 100, and we know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So 7.34 meter is the answer here. Now next, fifth question. The question is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Here these are 10 centimeters, so we have 0 on 100 place, 0, then put point and 10. It's a 0.10 meter. Sixth question is 2 centimeter. Here also on 10th place we have 0, and on 100 place we have 0. So write here 0 for those places and write our given number, that is 2. So we have to put here decimal point. 0.02 meter is the answer here. Now next question, fifth question. Write how many centimeters and how many millimeters. Now you have to know that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So for question number 5, let's write the answers for given questions. The question is 6.9 centimeter. Here they told us how many centimeters and how many millimeters. So we are going to focus on our decimal point. So 6 centimeter and 9 millimeter is the answer here. Second question in it is 20.4 centimeter. So 20 are centimeters and 4 are millimeters. Third, 0.8 centimeter. So here 0 is a centimeter and 8 are millimeters. Now fourth question is 0.5 centimeter. Here also 0 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Question is write how many centimeters in decimal form. Now we have to write it in decimal form. Let's write it. I think you have find it easy now. 7 centimeter and 1 millimeter. Write our given numbers first and put here decimal point between centimeter and millimeter. 7.1 centimeter. Second question. The question is 16 millimeter. We know that 100 millimeter. We know that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So here 16 means 10 plus 6. So we have 1 centimeter and 6 millimeter here. In decimal form we have to write 1.6 centimeter. Third question is 144 millimeter. Let's write given number 144 and put a decimal point here. It's a 14.4 centimeter. Now fourth question is 8 millimeter. Let's write here number. We know that for 1 centimeter we have 10 millimeter. Here are only 8 millimeters. So we have to put 0 for our centimeters and 0.8 centimeter we can say. This is the answer for our problem set 39. Hope you understand. Solve it again and again. It's very simple, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.